Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix Roshade not working. If you want to fix Roshade not working, then you want to follow these steps. First thing is you actually want to try completely closing the Roblox. You want to locate or go to Task Manager. So for that, right click on the mouse or at the bottom, go to Task Manager. Next, what you want to do is here, you simply want to locate Roblox. And when you locate it, so right click on the mouse, click on End Task. This is going to completely close the Roblox. Now then, come to this menu and go to the power button and click on Restart. This should be able to fix. Despite this, you could also check whether there seems to be an issue with the file location. Or for that, you want to open up or locate a Roblox player. Right click on the mouse, go to Open File Location. And when you go to the file section, what you need to do is here, you simply want to go to a Roblox player beta. You could double click on it, or you could just go ahead and open up in your notepad and check whether there seems to be any sort of issue or not. However, what you could also do is here, when you are in a file location section, you simply want to make sure to select Roblox Player Beta, or right click on the mouse, click on Open or go to Properties, go to Compatibility, select that Run this program in a compatibility mode is selected, and click on Run this program as an administrator, and click on Apply, click the OK button. That should be able to help. Sometimes it's not compatible on all the devices, so you want to check the compatibility as well. Likewise, if the issue still persists on despite doing all this method, then you simply want to uninstall Roblox and then reinstall the Roblox application. That should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.